welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of quick microwave rice. How to cook rice in a microwave. It is hassle free, you don't have to stir, you don't have to check on it. Simply put it in the microwave. Total cooking time is approximately 16 to 17 minutes. So 1 to 2 minutes of preparation and 15 minutes of cooking time and your rice is ready. So let us go ahead.
So we'll take 1 bowl of rice and I'm going to make rice in this microwave in this bowl. So first I will wash this rice and soak it for nearly half an hour. Soaking is perfectly optional. You can make it instantaneously, or if you want you can soak it for some time. So I'll be now transferring this washed and soaked rice, soaked and washed rice into this bowl and double the quantity of water to this. So I am going to transfer double the quantity of water, 1 bowl and second bowl. And now I'll add the salt, oil and a little bit of jeera. So I'm going to make tadka for this rice. I added 2 spoons of ghee. This is 2 spoonfuls of ghee. You can vary this depending upon your choice. And I'll be splattering this cumin seeds, jeera, 1 spoonful of jeera, salt to taste, and I'll add this to the rice mixture. Add this mixture to the rice mixture. Just mix it a bit. I generally add tej patta also. Today I don't have one, so I'm not adding. Now just close the lid and keep it in the microwave for 15 minutes. You don't have to stir, you don't have to check, nothing to be done. We'll just put it in the microwave for 15 minutes and our rice will be done. So a very quick, easy way of making rice. So put it in the microwave. Set this on 15 minutes and start. It's 16 minutes. Let us check. Our rice should be cooked. So this is our cooked rice, nice and grainy. So it has taken just 16 minutes in all. So let us open and check. So a nice grainy rice is ready. Easy to make microwave rice. Enjoy.